Imagine waking up every single morning with more strength than the day before, feeling your body respond to you with energy instead of resistance, and noticing that even simple movements feel lighter, sharper, more controlled. Now imagine that transformation not coming from expensive imported meals or complicated routines, but from everyday Pakistani foods already sitting in your kitchen. Foods your family has been cooking for generations, quietly powerful, deeply nourishing, and often underestimated. Today's journey is about understanding how simple eating habits, built around familiar flavors, can support muscle development in a natural and sustainable way. Not in a rushed or extreme sense, but in a steady, grounded way that respects your lifestyle, your culture, and your routine. Because building strength is not only about lifting weights, it begins long before that. It begins at the dining table, in the choices you make when you are hungry, when you are tired, when you are craving comfort, and when you are deciding what to fuel your body with. And if you stay with this journey, you will start to see your meals in a completely different light. There is something deeply powerful about traditional Pakistani food culture. It is rich, warm, and full of ingredients that naturally support energy and recovery. Eggs, lentils, chicken, milk, yogurt, whole grains, seasonal vegetables, and healthy fats are not just everyday staples, they are building blocks for strength when used with awareness. Think about a simple morning where your day begins with nourishment that feels light yet grounding. Eggs prepared in a familiar style, soft, warm, and satisfying, paired with fresh bread or homemade flatbread. This is not just breakfast, it is a signal to your body that it has support for the day ahead. Eggs are known for their naturally rich protein content, and when consumed regularly as part of a balanced lifestyle, they help the body repair and build lean tissue. As the day moves forward, your lunch can carry that same sense of balance and strength. A simple plate of dal with rice or chapati, combined with a portion of chicken or beef, offers a powerful mix of protein, carbohydrates, and essential nutrients. Yogurt on the side not only cools the body, but also supports digestion, making the entire meal feel complete rather than heavy. These are foods you already know, already trust, yet when eaten with intention, they quietly fuel muscle recovery and steady energy throughout the day. By evening, your body begins to reflect the effort you've put into nourishing it. A light but protein-rich dinner, perhaps grilled chicken, a vegetable curry, or even a homemade omelet, keeps your system active without overwhelming it before rest. Add a handful of nuts or a glass of milk later at night, and you're giving your muscles one last chance to recover and grow while you sleep. It's not about complicated diets or expensive ingredients. It's about consistency, simplicity, and choosing foods that work with your lifestyle rather than against it. Now, picture the role of milk. In many homes across Pakistan, milk is more than just a drink. It is comfort, memory, and tradition. When consumed thoughtfully, it provides a smooth source of energy and nutrients that support recovery after physical activity. Some people prefer it warm, others chilled. But in every form, it carries a sense of nourishment that feels almost timeless. As the day moves forward, the importance of meals becomes even more meaningful. Lunch in a Pakistani household often carries the heart of the kitchen. Lentils simmered slowly until soft and rich, chicken prepared with aromatic spices, vegetables cooked in light seasoning, and freshly made bread that brings everything together. Lentils, in particular, are often overlooked in modern conversations about fitness, yet they are quietly powerful. They offer plant-based nourishment that supports steady energy and recovery. When paired with grains, they create a complete and satisfying meal that fuels both the body and the mind. Chicken, on the other hand, brings a different kind of strength. It is widely enjoyed across households in various styles, from simple grilled preparations to slow-cooked curries. What makes it especially valuable is its versatility. It adapts to flavor, to spice, to cooking method, and still maintains its core nutritional value. For those focusing on physical development, it becomes a reliable part of many meals. But muscle support is not only about protein, it is also about consistency, digestion, and balance. This is where yogurt quietly plays its role. Thick, creamy and slightly tangy, yogurt has been part of South Asian meals for generations. It supports digestion, complements heavier meals, and brings a cooling balance to richer dishes. It is often served alongside meals without much attention, yet its contribution is significant. Now, imagine the afternoon, when energy naturally begins to dip. This is where small, mindful choices matter. A handful of nuts, a glass of lassi, or a light snack made from traditional ingredients can help maintain steady energy without overwhelming the body. These simple additions are often the difference between feeling drained and staying steady throughout the day. As the day continues, there is a quiet shift toward dinner, a moment where families gather and meals are shared. This is where rice often makes its appearance, paired with vegetables, lentils, or meat-based dishes. Rice provides a comforting base that brings harmony to the plate. When combined with protein sources and vegetables, it becomes a balanced meal that supports recovery during rest. And rest is where true transformation happens. Not in the gym alone, not only during activity, but in the quiet hours when the body repairs itself. What you eat during the day directly influences how well your body uses this time. Simple, natural foods help create an environment where recovery feels smoother and more effective. There is also something important that often gets overlooked in conversations about strength and diet: emotional satisfaction. Food is not just fuel, it is comfort, memory, and connection. A well-prepared meal shared with family can reduce stress, improve consistency, and create a positive relationship with eating habits. And that matters more than most people realize. Now, as you continue listening, there is something important to reflect on. Many people assume that building strength requires complicated diets or foreign ingredients, but the truth is far simpler. The body responds best to consistency, balance, and nourishment that it recognizes, and traditional foods often provide exactly that. But here's where things get even more interesting, because while the ingredients are simple, the way they are combined and respected makes all the difference. Eating in a rushed or irregular manner can reduce the benefits. On the other hand, paying attention to how meals are structured throughout the day creates a rhythm that supports steady progress. Hydration also plays a quiet but essential role. Water is often ignored in discussions about strength, yet it supports every function in the body. From digestion to recovery, from energy levels to focus, it is present in everything. Many traditional drinks like lassi or lightly spiced herbal infusions also contribute to hydration while adding cultural richness to the routine. And then there is timing. Not strict or rigid timing, but natural rhythm. Listening to your body when it feels hungry, when it feels satisfied, and when it needs rest. This intuitive approach often leads to more sustainable habits than any strict plan ever could. Now, if you are someone who has struggled with consistency in your diet, this is where things start to shift mentally. Instead of thinking in terms of restriction, start thinking in terms of addition. Adding more nourishment, adding more balance, adding more awareness. That small shift in mindset can change everything. There is a moment in every transformation journey where doubt appears, where progress feels slow, where motivation feels unstable, where results feel distant. In those moments, returning to simple habits becomes powerful. A warm meal, a familiar dish, a consistent routine. These are the anchors that keep progress alive even when motivation fades. And over time, something subtle begins to happen. Your energy becomes more stable. Your recovery feels smoother. Your strength builds quietly, without dramatic changes, but with steady progress that you can feel in your daily life. Carrying groceries feels easier. Climbing stairs feels lighter. Even your posture begins to reflect your growing strength. This is not about chasing perfection. It is about building a relationship with food that supports your life rather than complicating it. As we move toward the end of this journey, take a moment to reflect on how simple everything really is. The foods around you, the meals you already know, the flavors you grew up with. They are not separate from your fitness goals. They are part of it. And perhaps the most powerful realization of all is this: strength is not built in isolation. It is built in everyday choices, in the quiet decision to nourish yourself well, in the consistency of returning to simple meals, in the patience to trust the process even when progress feels invisible. So, as you continue your journey, remember that your kitchen is already full of potential. Your culture already carries wisdom. Your meals already hold the foundation you need. All that remains is awareness. If this journey resonated with you, take a moment to share your thoughts. Let others know what simple foods have supported your own routine. Stay connected for more grounded, practical insights like this. Like the video if you found value in this message. Subscribe for more content that brings clarity and simplicity to everyday living. And share it with someone who might need a reminder that strength can begin with the simplest plate of food.